The town of Addison is taking another major step toward improving our transportation and utility infrastructure with the Keller Springs Road Revitalization project. This project, which spans from Addison Road to the Dallas North Tollway, was approved by voters as part of the 2019 bond program. Originally built in the late 1970s as an asphalt road, Keller Springs has worn down over the years and is now ready for a much-needed upgrade. We are currently coordinating with utility and communication companies to relocate electric, gas, and telecommunications lines to make way for the upcoming improvements. Once these relocations are complete, the revitalization work can begin. This project will completely rebuild both the road and pedestrian areas using reinforced concrete, improving drivability and extending the lifespan of the road. The upgrade to concrete will enhance the road's durability, preparing it for increased traffic and future development in Addison. In addition, the water and wastewater lines along Keller Springs will be upgraded to support continued growth. To manage stormwater more effectively, large drainage culverts will be added between Addison Road and Quorum Drive, as outlined in the area's storm drainage master plan. Improvements to the surrounding areas, including upgraded traffic signals, street lighting, signage, and landscaping, will also be part of the project. The revitalization project will begin with the installation of upgraded water and wastewater lines, followed by drainage improvements, street paving, sidewalk reconstruction, and finally street lighting, traffic signals, and landscape. The project is anticipated to take 24 months to complete. You can stay informed about this project by subscribing to email updates on the town's website at addisontx.gov/Keller Springs. Register for text updates by texting the word Keller Spring to 888-777. Follow Town of Addison on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for your patience as we work to make Addison a better place to live, work, and play.